Early morning, I decide to walk kahit frozen sa labas, minus 3 degrada. So I walk a bit, keep moving only. So after 3 hours, the sun shine. That's what you can see. Nawala na ang frozen. Mabilis. That is the view from my area. And also in the golf area and in my dorm. Have a nice morning, nice sunny day.